Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is the lesson for class 6 science, and I am teacher of science in Pakistan Public School and College. Okay, students, open your book on page 17 where we have summary, and you should make some fill in the blanks from this portion, the summary portion. I am going to indicate the words which you should underline and write them in your copies. Living things are made up of cells which perform all the vital activities. Underline the word activities. Second sentence, underline the word groups. Underline the word groups. And in the third sentence, underline the word organ. Group of tissues form an organ. Organ को underline कर दें. Many organs work together to form an organ system. Yes. The last word again, organ system, should be underlined. And in the next line also transport, xylem and phloem underline करें. Phloem is made up of sieve-like tubes which transport dash food को dash करें. The respiratory organs in humans are dash lungs को underline करें. The circulatory system is composed of heart arteries. Leave this it. The human heart has dash chambers. 4 को dash करें. Arteries carry dash blood, oxygenated blood. Underline it. Veins carry deoxygenated, underline it. Capillaries are thin-walled blood vessels which connect an artery and a vein inside the organ. Underline the capillaries. First word. The breakdown of complex insoluble food into simple food by action of enzymes is called digestion. Yes, the last word, digestion. Again, in the next sentence, the dash system of human is made up. All the still intestine. Digestive, underline करें. The removal of waste substances from the body is called dash excretion. The main excretory organ in the human body are the kidneys. Underline the word kidneys. The nervous system is made up of specialized cells called neurons. Let's underline the word neuron. Now move towards the next page. Look at page 19, exercises, fill in the blanks. Now put the word vessels in blank. Put the word sieve tubes in second blank. In C, transpiration in C. In D, alveoli and capillaries. In E, capillary. In F, enzyme. In G, villi. In H, lungs. In I, neurons. J, reflex. K, reflex arc. And L, involuntary or reflex action. Involuntary. Okay. Next exercise, third question, name the parts of the digestive system. You should write about the mouth. A, mouth. B, food pipe or esophagus. C, stomach. D, small intestine. Fourth, draw the excretory system. You have to draw it from the book in your copies. Write absent or present in the correct column. Cell wall, plant present, animal cell absent. Under the plant cell you should write present. Under the animal cell you should write absent. Chloroplast, under the plant cell heading you should write present, and in animal cell absent. Vacuole, present in both plant cell as well as in animal cell. Come to page 18. Exercises. Question 1. Answer the following questions. You should find its answer from the page. First question. Define following cell, tissue, organ system. They are defined in the last pages of your slides of your lesson. All question answers are available with you in the slide. You should look at them. You should correctly copy them in your notebooks, and you should be learning them. And all these objective exercises, fill in the blanks, etc., they are to be done. And whatever exercises are present, you should complete them and try to do some activities at home which are present here, and those which you can perform easily, you should perform them at home and learn them. All the task is to be learned by you, and as well as you should try to practice the various diagrams present in the chapter, especially about the human systems in humans. These diagrams are to be practiced, and they should be drawn in your notebooks. Thank you.